Scratch that, we'll make two.
Okay.
I actually found more.
More what?
More water bottles, there's a lot down there. Is anybody really thirsty?
Me.
I kinda am.
Alright, if you want, you guys can drink a lot of the water.
Okay.
Alright. Here guys.
Oh, you
can drink them.
Two more.
Drink them.
You could afford it in glasses too.
And like, when you're not thirsty, give them. And I'll empty them. Or you guys could just pour them in cups.
Empty it.
Nick, take the next one.
Okay, I'll throw us one. Oh, just two? We're making two?
Yeah.
There, you got two. Two paper towel with baking soda in them.
I'm not good with pouring. Somebody else pour.
But you pour over a sink in case something comes out.
Don't pour too much.
It's good. Yeah, pour about that much. Last time I poured way too much.
Yeah, that's why I want it.
That's why I didn't
Pour about,
awesome boobs in.
where is it? Up
Hey, put this in
there.
the holder.
Hold do.
Max, where'd you put the caps?
You have the caps, right? Where are the caps? Throw one of those.
Cap them and wait till you go to your location and put those in.
To put the baking soda.
Max, tap that tight.
It hurts so bad. You use your hand scratch. Uh-oh. One of those people. I never see people.
Wait, Max, where are you throwing it?
Throw it down there.
Will it work?
Yeah.
Even if it's hit
Now.
the ground?
Yeah.
Alright, you
Video.
go first.
It is.
Okay, here's the first one.
Shake it up.
Oh my god.
It's turning white. Oh my god.
Whoa! Damn it!
Get it!
It didn't work right.
Well, that one was a failure. Wait, how are you supposed to throw it? Like, are you sure it's supposed to hit the ground?
Smells like vinegar.
What if I throw it against the house?
Don't throw it against the house.
Should we just go by the train tracks? Or...
Oh, do it again.
A beer bottle. Huh?
Put it in. Like, we can make more. Just two more if you want. I put too much vinegar in it. But oh well. Cap it.
No.
Really tight, really tight, really tight. Shake it for about 15 seconds. 1, 2, away from you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we're on our way to the train tracks. To... Oh, now I can't.
No, you're putting it on anyways.
What would your mom say?
My mom will just be like, wow.
So we're going to the train tracks to throw the bombs that they have.
Grenades.
Grenades, I'm sorry.
Airsoft grenades.
Vinegar and baking soda.
Mulch.
Hi, peoples. Even though none of you are probably gonna watch this, but you know what? I hate you all anyways.
Tape more when we get down there.
Yeah, bye. Bye.
Peace.
Bye!
You guys hear that rumbling?
That's what I was gonna take.
Molotov cocktail.
Come by with your stupid train already!
How far down do you think he is?
I don't know.
Here it comes.
You see it?
Oh, I can hear it.
No doubt you can hear it.
It's coming. Oh, found another bottle.
Oh my god, Max, you find them everywhere.
Dude, you just...
It's like what it comes by. The windows are bulletproof anyway.
I know.
It's maxi glass.
Where is it?
I hear it, but I don't... Throw the bottle.
Should we go down?
No.
No, dude, there's a train coming. We're not going down.
I don't hear it.
We don't know where it is though.
True. Oh my god, I want to throw this thing already.
Me too. Wait,
I hear it.
it's the car going over this bridge.
Oh yeah, because this bridge is
Here it comes,
totally
here it
in use.
comes.
Stop moving.
Stop moving, you dummy. Can you see it, Bianca?
No, I hear it.
Why does it take so long just to get over here?
I know, these things go so fast.
How slow is it going? Wait, is it coming?
I can hear it.
You can hear it coming.
Oh, you hear the rumbling?
You hear the rumbling, you hear the crumbling, there's only one thing. It's coming! Hear the rumbling, you hear
Did you make that up?
Just now.
that only means one thing.
The train is coming! Do it! Quickly!
He has a power arm.
I know, right? I hit that. Well, that's how you throw grenades, you go like that.
No, but like when he throws it, it has power. And
Oh, yeah.
He wasn't even doing it.
B!
Just do nothing and the bee will leave you alone.
Shut up. Oh my god, bees are following you?
Yeah.
Where the hell to go? Get it away from me!
Swat it!
I can't, I have stuff in my head.
You got
Follow me. Let's see. Turn around.
Eat it!
Get away from me, get away.
Oh, I came back!
I've never seen a kid so scared of bees before.
Oh my god.
Where was that stupid train?
Oh, Max, guess what I was watching yesterday?
What?
I can't see anything.
I think I hear it.
That's a plane.
No, none of here.
I hear it from the left. It's like, shut up, plane!
I almost wanted to shut up and crash.
You just see it come down here and crashes onto the plane.
Oh my
The
god.
bee's right near you.
Stupid bee, why couldn't it just go away?
Oh my god, it's still on top of my head.
No. Where do those bottles come from anyway?
People?
I don't know, if you throw it off the train, it'll shatter. I hear it coming, but
You can hear it coming, but you don't see it.
You know what? Let's just make the video.
let's just do it from here. Grenade one!
Dude, I think you should... Can you see it?
Go.
Let's hope this one's a success.
Where are you throwing it? Hold up. Let me move.
Is it recording?
Yeah. It's been recording.
Back, let's go back. Come on back.
ready?
Yes.
Wow, it went over the track.
It went over.
For like 50 seconds.
Right, grenade 2.
Grenade 2.
That was awesome.
You gonna throw it up there too?
Oh, no.
Imagine a cat flies off. Success!
Check it out.
I'm not going down there yet.
Don't worry. It was going like the other way.
Oh my god.
A bone?
They just shattered the other right?
Look at that.
Oh, there it is. Wow, it's cold.
All the way down the track. Because the jaws are over there.
Okay, where's that train?
Yeah, really.
Imagine it was silent.
Oh god, imagine how bad that sucked for us.
I was just stuck going.
Let's see the damage.
I'm guessing. Well, that one's back to that one.
This cap flew off and is split in half. This cap stayed on and blew in half. You see this, Joey?
Yes, I do. It is now 1:37. Once the parents come back.
Don't know.
It looks just tinfoil.
Should we start heading back?
Probably. Everybody say bye to the camera.
Bye, you
Bye.
stupid asses.
I hate you all because none of you are going to watch this anyways.